Welcome, in this video I'm gonna show you how to highlight the enemies while playing Specialist in Star Wars Battlefront 2. So at first we have to of course choose the Specialist, which is a sniper, then press select and enter the battlefield. All of the sites are taken and I can respawn on my friends because they are unavailable. So I'm gonna go for default, then start. Clearly the enemies are winning. So to highlight the enemies you have to press F button on the keyboard and choose the ability. Then press the right click and you can see all of the enemies. There are some of the enemies in front of me, also there is enemies, and if I can see them on the battlefield, I can highlight them and get easy battle points. I can show you one more time. So I press F, I check for enemies that are near me. I can see any of them, so let's move on to the battlefield and get closer to the enemies. But if you're playing Specialist, you have to be far away from the enemies. Oh, there are. So I get a little closer because I can. Alright, so there is one. He's dead. Let's check for another. Alright, so one is coming closer. This is a Dooku. And like this I can highlight the enemies so my friends can see them easily because there is a red triangle above the heads. So that would be all for today. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!